Hey, does it make sense to get this approved? No. Got it. What's a good next step? I'm not sure. We're super busy. What's a good next step on my end? Man, I don't know. How about we do this? I'll send everything over right now. I am going to have to update the VP of sales and let them know that this is not getting approved this week. This could affect the deal. I just want to make sure that I'm clear on that. This is $3.7 million worth of top line revenue to the business. As long as you're okay with that, I'm okay with that. You guys run the approval process, but I just want to make it crystal clear here. I have to report these numbers and I have to report the reasons why they're not coming in. Fair enough? Well, no. Hold on. You don't have to get Rick involved. Let's take a look at this again. It's amazing all of a sudden when you bring up the money involved in the deal that internally people go, oh, he is right? Because they act like they're doing you a favor. They're not doing you a favor. They're helping themselves get paid. We just have to connect those dots for them. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm about to give you my closing mini masterclass absolutely free for you. Click the link here and I'm going to cover the $300. You're going to know how to close. Life is about to get a lot easier for you. No strings, no catches. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass for free right here, right now. I'll see you on the other side.